Welcome to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we are focusing on the ongoing rally in ICE cotton futures, driven by a combination of factors including a weaker US dollar and adverse weather conditions affecting key cotton growing regions. ICE cotton futures have continued their upward momentum, marking the fifth consecutive session of gains. The December cotton contract advanced by 1.01 cents, closing at 70.35 cents per pound, reflecting a steady recovery from the previous week's decline. The March and May contracts also showed resilience, ending the day at 71.62 cents and 72.67 cents per pound, respectively. One of the primary drivers behind this rally is the continued weakening of the US dollar. As the dollar dropped another 254 points, nearing the $101 mark, cotton prices received a significant boost. A weaker dollar tends to make US cotton more competitive in the global market, thereby supporting higher prices. Adding to the bullish sentiment are concerns over adverse weather conditions, particularly in Texas, a major cotton-producing state. The latest US Department of Agriculture (USDA) crop progress report indicated a 4% decline in the overall condition of US cotton, with 42% of the crop rated as good to excellent. The Brugler 500 index also mirrored this decline, dropping by 4 points to 315. In Texas, cotton crop conditions worsened, with ratings falling by 2 points. Meanwhile, Georgia's rating slipped by 3 points. These deteriorating conditions have raised alarm bells among traders, especially as West Texas continues to grapple with severe drought, further threatening crop yields. The USDA's latest data also pointed to an increase in stocks for the 2023-24 season by 100,000 bales. However, new crop production is projected to decline by 800,000 bales, bringing the total output to around 4.5 million bales. This drop in production is largely attributed to the ongoing weather challenges. Despite the need to move produce to market, demand remains subdued, limiting the upside potential for prices. However, the weak dollar and significant short positions in the market are providing some support to cotton prices. In terms of market speculation, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) reported that managed money speculative funds have slightly reduced their net short positions by 2,570 contracts as of August 13, leaving them net short by 49,454 contracts. This adjustment in positions could indicate a shift in market sentiment as traders respond to the evolving market conditions. Looking ahead, the near-term outlook for cotton prices remains uncertain. While external factors like currency movements and weather conditions are influencing price dynamics, the market will continue to be shaped by these variables and technical indicators. We will keep a close watch on these developments to provide you with timely updates and insights. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert analysis on the commodities market.